Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can prevent websites to send notifications in Chrome. So to prevent website from sending notifications in Google Chrome, you can manage the browser's notification settings. And this is a detailed guide on how you can disable or control the website notifications. So first, you can just access the Chrome notification settings. Just open your Chrome and then click on this three dots menu. Then find settings, select that. And in the setting menu, you can just click on this privacy and security on the left sidebar. And scroll down again until you find the site settings. And in here, you can scroll down until you find the notifications option. So now what you need to do is just block all website notifications. So you can just under the default behavior in here, you can just tap on this don't allow site to send notifications. Just click on that. And if you only want to prevent notifications from specific websites, under the customized behaviors, you can locate the allow to send notifications. Click on add. And you can just add the site in here. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to click on the thumbs up icon, subscribe for more tips and tutorial, and don't forget to click on the thanks button below. But if you still have question, you can drop a comment below. I'll see you all on the next tutorials. Bye!